The communication awards from nursery. The first position goes to.
M. Avyan Ram.
The second position goes to.
Ketana Santoshi Kolipara.
Now, the academic toppers of LKG. The first position goes to.
Rohan Krishna.
Teachers, please come along with your children. Teachers,
The second position goes to.
Tanvi.
The second position goes to.
B. Tanvi.
Now, the communication awards from LKG. The first position goes to.
Sasidhar Reddy.
The first position goes to.
Shashidhar Reddy.
The second position goes to.
Rohan Krishna.
Now, the Spell Bee Award winners from LKG. The first position goes to.
Shashidhar Reddy.
And the second position goes to.
Danvika Sai.
The second position of communication awards from LKG is.
Rohan Krishna.
Now, I request the attendance toppers of LKG to come on the stage. The first position goes to.
Tanvi. Second position of attendance toppers goes to D. Mokshita. Attendance toppers second position goes to D. Mokshita from LKG. From LKG, Spell Bee Awards, first position goes to Shashidhar Reddy. Shashidhar Reddy from LKG. The second position of Spell Bee Award goes. The second position of Spell Bee Award from LKG goes to M. Tanvika Sai. M. Tanvika Sai.
Director Ravindra Reddy sir to come forward onto the stage and distribute prizes to children.
Please, sir, please come onto the stage.
Please, sir, Director sir, come onto the stage and distribute the prizes to children.
Wow Kids Awards from LKG class. First position goes to Shashidhar Reddy. The first position goes to Shashidhar Reddy. Shashidhar Reddy from LKG has won the first position in Wow Kid Awards. The second position for Wow Kid Awards from LKG goes to Muthineni Ayanveer. Ayanveer from LKG, I call upon you to the stage. From nursery attendance toppers, the first position goes to Vennela Reddy. Wow Kid Awards from LKG, second position goes to Muthineni Ayanveer. The second position for Wow Kid Awards goes to Muthineni Ayanveer.
The academic toppers from UKG. The first position goes to SK Rishan. SK Rishan from UKG. The second position goes to PSJ Arna. Arna from UKG. The communication awards. The first position goes to M. Amaira. M. Amaira from UKG. The second position goes to V. Ishan. V. Ishan from UKG. The attendance toppers from UKG are: the first position goes to G. Ashwad. Ashwad from UKG. The second position goes to N. Sharanjay. Sharanjay from UKG. The Spell Bee Awards from class UKG. The first position goes to SK Rishan. Rishan from UKG.
We will give the awards up to second class only. After second class, we will hand over the students to you. Please kindly cooperate with us, please.
The second position is PSJ Arna. Arna from UKG. Next, Wow Kid Awards. First position goes to SK Rishan from UKG. SK Rishan. The second position goes to L. Janvi Vidyadi. Janvi Vidyadi from UKG. The winners of drawing and coloring competitions. The first position goes to N. Janvi Vidyadi. N. Janvi Vidyadi from UKG. The second position goes to J. Ishant. J. Ishant from UKG.
From first class academic toppers, first position goes to B. Arjun Tanmay. B. Arjun Tanmay from first A. B. Arjun Tanmay from first A. The second position goes to Nihit Nandan. Nihit Nandan from first A. Snehit Nandan from first A. Communication awards. Communication awards from first A. The first position goes to G. Vihan. G. Vihan from first A. The second position goes to D. Sri Madhurya Kushmananda. D. Sri Madhurya Kushmanda from first A. Attendance toppers from first A. The first position goes to P. Mokshavardhan Reddy. P. Mokshavardhan Reddy from first A. The second position goes to R. Venkata Devamsh. R. Venkata Devamsh from first A.
Now, the academic toppers of grade 2A. The first position goes to R. Arha. R. Arha from second A. The second position goes to T. Sritik. T. Sritik from second A. Now, the communication awards of grade 2. The first position goes to T. Sritik. The first position goes to T. Shritik. The second position goes to A. Chaitradya. Chaitadrya from second A. The attendance toppers of grade 2A. The first position goes to D. Vedavarshit and T. Shritik. D. Vedavarshit and T. Shritik from second A.
Nursery, LKG, UKG and first class students can take their children from the students gallery. I request the parents from nursery to first class. You can take your kids from student gallery. Thank you.
The second position of attendance toppers is A. Kartikeya. A. Kartikeya from second A. Ladies and gentlemen,
From second B, the academic toppers, the first position goes to Pujya Shrita. K. Pujya Shrita from second B.